Hello, this is the lecture number 5 for the chapter Determinants, class 12 mathematics, and we have discussed up to question number 10 of exercise 4.2. We are discussing the 4.2 in the previous lectures. Now the question number 11, 12 and 13 are important questions, and see it very carefully. Now question number 11, it is you have to prove that this determinant is equal to x plus y plus z whole cube into 2, sorry. This you have to prove. Now see it very carefully. Now where you have to use the property. Now if you add all the rows, this plus this plus this, you are not getting the same elements. यहाँ पर रो पे प्रॉपर्टी लाने पे फायदा नहीं हो रहा है. Now if you see the columns R1, C1 is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now if you are using the properties in the columns, that is column 1 is equal to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. You are getting the first column of the elements of the first column are same. This may you are getting only by using the property in the column. First rows elements of the first row are same. Now I can take this common from the first column. See it carefully. This common. Now you are getting 1, 1, 1. Now again by same method as we have done in the previous lectures, you can make these two elements 0, R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. This minus this 0, this minus this you are getting x plus y plus z, this minus this you are getting 0. This minus this you are getting 0, this minus this you are getting 0, this minus this you are getting x plus y plus z. Now by doing this, you see it very carefully in the second row as well in the third row you are getting x plus y plus z common. X plus y plus z common. देखिए इसमें और इसमें. तो what you will get? X plus y plus z whole cube. One from this common, one from this common x plus y plus z. तो x plus y plus z का whole cube are getting in the this outside the determinants. Now you can expand this determinant. By expanding this determinant you will get 1. First row, first column के along expand करिए, you will get the value of this as 1. So somewhat easy questions. Question number 11, second part, by doing the property in the column. Now question number 12. See it very carefully. You have to prove that this determinant is equal to 1 minus x cube का whole square. Now see it very carefully. If you have to obtain 1 minus x cube. So how are you getting 1 minus x cube? If we multiply the second row by x and subtract from the first row, you can do this. You try to do it in the rows only. So R1 is equal to R1 minus x times R2, and R2 is equal to R2 minus x times R3. Just see it very carefully. So multiply this row by x and subtract from this, multiply this row by x and subtract from second. तो अगर आप इसको x से multiply के subtract from this, you are getting 1 minus x cube, you are getting 0, you are getting 0. See it very carefully. Now if you subtract, multiply this row by x and subtract from this, you are getting 0, you are getting 1 minus x cube here, you are getting 0 here. See it very carefully. So this becomes very easy now. Now if you can take 1 minus x cube from this common and 1 minus x cube from this common. So 1 minus x cube का whole square will be outside this determinant. 1 from this and 1 from this. In the determinants you have to take the column from either row or column. एक रो या एक कॉलम में से लेते हैं. But in matrices you have to take common from all the elements of the matrices. This is the difference between this. 1 minus x cube from the first, 1 minus x cube from the second, you are getting 2 1 minus x cube. Now you can expand this determinant, you will get 1. First row के column, so this into this minus this into, you will get 1. So 1 minus x cube का whole square. Now this question number 13 and 14, they both are very important. Question number 13, see it very carefully. You have to prove this determinant is equal to how much? 1 plus a square plus b square का whole square. 1 plus a square plus b square का whole square, rather whole cube you have to prove. You have to prove that this is equal to whole cube. Now see it very carefully and try to do this question 2 to 3 times. and do the calculation in the rough also. Now you have to obtain 1 plus a square plus b square, the value of this whole cube. So how can we get 1 plus a square plus b square? See it very carefully. Now if we multiply this by b, अगर मैं इसको b से मल्टीप्लाई करके इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करता हूँ, मतलब if we multiply, I multiply this column by b and subtract from this, तो what you will get? If you multiply this by b and subtract from this, तो ये माइनस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2b स्क्वायर, तो यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा? प्लस का b स्क्वायर. If you multiply this by b and subtract from this, you will get 0. And if you multiply this by b and subtract from this, you do this calculation the rough. You multiply this by b and subtract from this, you are getting b, ब्रैकेट में 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. तो c1 इज इक्वल टू c1 माइनस बी टाइम्स c3. थर्ड कॉलम को b से मल्टीप्लाई करके सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट, ये आ जाएगा आपका. सिमिलरली in the second column, if you multiply this column by a, this column by a, अगर आप इसको a से मल्टीप्लाई करके इसमें ऐड करते हैं, you are getting 0. आप इसको a से मल्टीप्लाई करके इसमें ऐड करते हैं तो it will be 1 plus a square plus b square. If you multiply this by a and add it to this, you are getting this. You do this c2 is equal to c2 plus a times c3. Do this calculation in the rough, then you will get these terms. So I am doing it again. Multiply this column by b and subtract from this, you are getting these element in the first column. Now c2 is equal to c2 plus a times c3. इसको a से मल्टीप्लाई करके you add to this, multiply this by a and add, यहाँ पे 0 आ रहा है. If you multiply this by a and add it to this, तो 1 plus a square plus b square you are getting. Multiply this by a and add it to this, you are getting minus a, 1 plus a square plus b square. So what you are getting? You are getting common a plus b square, 1 plus a square plus b square common from the first column and 1 plus a square plus b square common from the second column. तो whole square बाहर common आ गया. Now you can expand this. We are unable to make the two elements 0, तो कोई बात नहीं, हो सकता है वैसे 0 यहाँ पर. If you multiply this by b and add it to this, यहाँ पर 0 हो जाएगा, लेकिन avoid that. You can expand now. If you have to at least use at least two properties to solve the determinants. 0 तो बनाना ही है दो. Even then you have to, if you add or you use two property, then it is okay. Now expand this determinant. I am expanding it along the first row. मैंने इसको first row के along 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय इसको फैक्टर, ये रहा 0 तो 0 आ ही गया. दिस ये इसका कोफैक्टर माइनस में होता है, तो दिस सॉरी प्लस में होता है थर्ड का, तो दिस मल्टीप्लाई बाय इट्स कोफैक्टर 0 1 b माइनस a. एक्सपेंड दिस, यू आर गेटिंग दिस एज 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज द 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर का होल क्यूब यू आर गेटिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज ऑल्सो अ गुड क्वेश्चन. सी इट वेरी केयरफुली. थोड़ा सा ठीक ठाक ही क्वेश्चन है. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग ए कॉमन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट रो. पहली रो में से मैंने ए कॉमन ले लिया, तो क्या बचेगा यहाँ पर? यू विल गेट ए, यू विल गेट यहाँ पर 1/a, यहाँ b, यहाँ c. आई हैव टेकन ए कॉमन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट रो में से मैंने ए कॉमन ले लिया है. सेकेंड रो में से आई हैव टेकन बी कॉमन. थर्ड रो में से आई हैव टेकन सी कॉमन. तो b कॉमन लेने पर a बचेगा, b बचेगा 1/b, c बचेगा. फ्रॉम दिस यू हैव टेकन c कॉमन, यू विल गेट a हेयर, यू विल गेट b हेयर, यहाँ पर c प्लस 1/c. See it very carefully. Now what I have done? After that I have multiplied, I have taken common from the row. Now I am multiplying c1 with a. c1 को मैंने a से मल्टीप्लाई करा है, c2 को मैंने b से मल्टीप्लाई करा है, एंड थर्ड कॉलम को आई एम मल्टीप्लाइड बाय c. ना जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं किसी रो एंड कॉलम में तो डिवाइड करते हैं, तो आई मल्टीप्लाई दिस कॉलम बाय a, तो कितना हो जाएगा? a स्क्वायर प्लस 1, a स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर. आई मल्टीप्लाई दिस कॉलम बाय b, b स्क्वायर 1, b स्क्वायर. मल्टीप्लाई दिस कॉलम बाय c, तो आई एम गेटिंग c स्क्वायर c, और अदर 1. सी इट वेरी केयरफुली. सो जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो बाहर डिवाइड होता ही है इन डिटर्मिनेंट्स. यू नो दिस प्रॉपर्टी. Now after that, if I add all the columns, c1 is equal to c1 plus c2 plus c3. कॉलम में ऐड करके सेम एलिमेंट्स आएंगे. c1 is equal to c1 plus c2 plus c3. देखिए ये आ गया. सी इट केयरफुली. फर्स्ट कॉलम के एलिमेंट सारे सेम आ गए. टेक कॉमन, that is 1 1 1, and you know how to simplify it. R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1, इन दोनों एलिमेंट को 0 बना करके you expand it, you will get the right hand side. इस determinant की वैल्यू 1 आ जाएगी. This determinant will be equal to 1. So you see this last 3 to 4 questions very carefully, 2 to 3 times see it, and do that. If you are unable to do it, do the calculations in the rough and then try to solve it. Okay, this is the completion of exercise 4.2. You try this exercise 2 to 3 times. Okay, thank you.